Meaning of gathering.
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 Gathering. The term gathering refers to the act of bringing people or things together in one place. This can refer to social events, meetings, assemblies, or the collection of objects. The result of a gathering can be a sense of unity and shared experience among those in attendance. It can also be an opportunity for individuals to connect with each other, share knowledge, and exchange ideas. Depending on the context, a gathering can have cultural, educational, religious, or political significance, and can serve as a means of building community and strengthening relationships.